Hello everyone, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your ultimate destination for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of PC cases with a focus on the AMANSON ATX mid-tower gaming case. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the exterior design of this case. The AMANSON ATX boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic with its pure white color and 270-degree full-view tempered glass panels on both the front and left sides. This design not only provides a clear view of your components but also adds a touch of elegance to your gaming setup. Now, let's delve into the features that make this case stand out from the crowd. One notable aspect is its powerful cooling system, which can accommodate up to 10 ARGB 120mm fans for optimal airflow and lighting effects. Additionally, the case supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, offering flexibility for various build configurations. Moving on to the interior, the AMANSON ATX provides ample space for your components, including a maximum GPU length of 360mm and support for mounting a 360, 280, 240mm radiator on the top. This ensures that you have plenty of room to build a high-performance gaming rig without compromising on airflow or aesthetics. The top I/O panel of this case features convenient connectivity options, including one USB 3.0 port, two USB 2.0 ports, and HD audio jacks, along with a restart power button. This allows for easy access to your peripherals and enhances the overall user experience. Cable management is often overlooked but crucial for maintaining a clean and organized build. Fortunately, the AMANSON ATX excels in this aspect with its super cable management design, including a large space behind the motherboard tray for hiding cables and improving airflow. Additionally, the case comes with one dust filter to keep your system clean and dust-free. In conclusion, the AMANSON ATX mid-tower gaming case offers a winning combination of style, functionality, and affordability. With its stunning design, robust cooling system, spacious interior, and convenient features, it's undoubtedly a top contender in the realm of PC cases. That wraps up our review of the AMANSON ATX mid-tower gaming case. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on UK Pro Reviewer.